In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a domain on Shopify. Whether you're switching to a new domain, closing a store, or simply removing a domain you no longer need, Shopify makes the process fairly straightforward. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains all of your store's important configuration options. Inside Settings, click on Domains. Here you'll see a list of all domains connected to your Shopify store, including any custom domains you've purchased or connected. Find the domain you want to remove and click on it to open its settings page. Review the domain details carefully to make sure you're working with the correct domain, especially if you have multiple domains connected to your store. If the domain was purchased through Shopify, look for options related to domain settings or manage domain. Depending on your situation, you may be able to disable auto renewal, transfer the domain to another provider, or remove it from your store. For third-party domains connected to Shopify, click Remove Domain to disconnect it from your store. Confirm the action when prompted. If you're canceling a Shopify-purchased domain completely, make sure you understand that once a domain expires or is released, it may become available for someone else to register. After confirming the removal or cancellation, Shopify will update your domain settings and the selected domain will no longer be active on your store. That's it! You've successfully cancelled or removed a domain from your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.